What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing? Today I'm about to show y'all something real easy. I'm about to make a super front wheel drive drag wing for my Honda Civic. I'm gonna start with a stencil, then I'm gonna cut it out of the plexiglass. So I'm gonna try and keep it as little steps as possible, and I'm gonna show you the process. So just stay tight with me. So first thing I did here is I looked online and I saw what type of wing I wanted to make. Once I found out what type of wing I wanted to make, I got me a piece of paper and I did like just a little rough draft so I know where I'm going and the shape and the size. So I drew it on this piece of paper. Now I'm gonna take it off and I'm going to straighten up my lines and then I'm gonna cut it out. Alright, so here it is. I took my piece of paper, I straightened it out. I drew me a straight line first, and then this is the side that I chose to go with. So I did my best to match this side to that side right there. And then I'm about to cut it out, and then I'm gonna test fit it back on the back of the car, and we'll see how it goes. All right, here we go. So as y'all can see, when I folded this in half, when I fold this joker in half, I chose the side that fit the best, and then I just cut all the excess off. That's what this is right here, flapping. When I fold it in half, that's all the excess that's hanging off of it. So both sides will be even. And then check me out. Now that we got it on, it's up because I had to fold it in half. Now that we got it on, this is what it looks. It follows the curve of the window, just like the real one. Remember, you can do it in different shapes. You can do it in different lengths, all that. So this is the shape and the length that I'm going to go with. Mine will sit flat like that. It's really going to give it that super front wheel drive look. And hopefully it might make it a little bit more aerodynamic. So now let's go ahead and mark it out of the plexiglass, which I have down here. Got right here, RJ Speed. Plastic. This is 0.030, 75 millimeter, and still a little flexible. So let's go ahead and get our stencil off and let's cut it out down here. All right, so here's my cutout. Got it on there. I traced it out with this yellow marker so you can't really see it, but it's definitely a trace on there. You can slightly see the little glow going around it. And then I'm going to use my Traxxas scissors right here, the curved ones, so I can hit all the curves that I need to. And we're gonna cut it out. And let's go. Let's go ahead and make it. All right, check me out. Here go my mock-up right here. It's cut. I could always use my grinder to go through and smooth out some of the edges on it, but for the most part, it's definitely there and it's done. So now what I like to do is I like to take black vinyl and I like to wrap them, and I might put some stickers on it or something like that. I don't know, but it's definitely there. This side has to come down a little bit. I'm thinking about putting rivets on it just to hold it nice and tight. Like that. I can fold this side in just a little bit more. You're going to have to play with it just a little bit. Hold up. I might actually be off a little bit. Let's see what happened right here. Let's see. There we go. That looked much better. Alright, see? So I just folded it just a little bit. So now we got a much better fit right there. Much better fit. Now you can go into detail and you can put the bars that go from here to there. From here to there. I do see that they be having bars on them to adjust them up and down. Or you can do it like this. You can add it. You can put a strip right here in the top. See how it goes over the top a little bit? You can put a strip of shoe glue if that's what your choice of adding it. But I think I'm actually going to put some metal rivets in this one. I've made one of these before, so this time I want to step it up just a little bit. All right, thank y'all for staying with me. Please stay tuned. Please subscribe to this channel. Please, right now, bruh. Subscribe to this channel, man. I'm finna keep this super front wheel drive RC stuff coming. It's gonna be serious. I'm trying to do a race about an hour away from here. I got this guy online. He's super fast, so I'm gonna take my chances, and if he can get the time off, I'm gonna meet up with him, and me and him gonna run. So stay tuned for that video. Hopefully it go through. And next one, I'll probably be doing super front wheel drive fender flares and the super front wheel drive front bumper. So y'all stay with me, like and subscribe to this channel, share this video to any super front wheel drive RC friends you got, and let's just, just stay tuned, man. I'm coming with some more heat. Thank you. Alright, so this is my final product right here. As you see, I use rivets on top. I like the look that it gives it. It gives it that bolt finish. Added a Tamaya sticker. Fitted pretty nice and even on the back. There you go. Let me know what you guys think about it. Super front wheel drive drag wing for the RC. Thank you. I'll catch y'all later.